Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2017 Ram Sport Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number Z8074A. Only 10,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. This Ram was owned by one of our employees, brilliant black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. This Ram seats 5, leather interior, and of course, very clean inside and out. Split seat bottoms flip up, giving you a flat load surface. This also has the upgraded Alpine sound system with subwoofer. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. Rear defrost for excellent visibility and power sliding window for additional ventilation. This Ram has the Ram box storage system. Lots of storage space on both sides of the truck with drain holes for easy cleaning. Locking tailgate, backup camera, rear parking sensors for additional safety, trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Rolling tonneau cover and spray and bed liner for protection. Ram box on both sides of the truck, of course. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Sport has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, along with power adjustable pedals to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 10,000 miles with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, very large 8.4-inch infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats to keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Dual zone automatic temperature control, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's material. Dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and rear sliding window control. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter Hemi V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles per gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 65% of tire tread left. For more information on this Ram, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.